Good evening. Smoke blanketed the sky in northwest Gainesville today over a fire at a wood recovery center.
It's a facility that will provide fuel for Gainesville's new biomass plant next year. TV20's Chris Gilmore reports the fire is contained, but fire crews remain on the scene.
It was an impressive team effort. Fire personnel from several agencies showed up to wash away the worries of one business owner and about half an acre of smoldering wood remains on his property.
The business day at Wood Resource Recovery in Gainesville started out with a bang, or as CEO Bill Gaston more accurately describes, a burn.
About 5:30, 6 o'clock, we saw in the back corner where we have some yard waste composting that we saw that we had a little smoldering.
Wood Resource Recovery is one of the local companies contracted to help fuel the biomass plant in Gainesville. They also produce emulsions, soils, and potting blends from yard waste. In a lot filled with potentially flammable material, a little smoldering could lead to a big problem. Recent weather patterns meant that Gaston and fire officials had to act fast.
We haven't had a lot of rain, and today it's supposed to, the winds are picking up and we've got some dry air coming in. So we really want to make sure we contain this fire now so we don't have something that grows or expands.
Materials like this dry composting yard waste is what's easy to catch on fire and what fire officials are keeping a close eye on this season with dry and cold conditions. Fire officials aren't sure what may have caused the fire, but say that it's not uncommon for wood piles like Gaston's to spontaneously combust. Until rain comes, fire officials from agencies across the board have been working to soak the smoldering piles to prevent the wind from spreading any embers. It's a job they're taking seriously, with the aid of several tank trucks capable of delivering thousands of gallons of water to the fire.
It's extremely important. The big thing is keeping it down. If we can keep the fire down, keep the embers down, that's what a lot of that water does. Keep it from spreading into the other areas.
Assistant Chief Rice says there was one previous fire in the wood piles at this business, and we can expect to see some rain tonight in our area, which Gaston hopes will help control the smoldering compost. Gainesville Fire Rescue plans on handing the fire over to County and Forest Services sometime this evening. Chris Gilmore, TV20 News.